Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking or network unlocking of a mobile device in order for it to be used with a different compatible wireless carrier other than the one that originally sold it. Here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy J7, which is originally from AT&T here in the US, as you can see by the logo on the back. And this is a device that has not yet been SIM unlocked, because when we have a different carrier SIM card inserted here, we can see that the device is asking us for a network unlock code. And then if we dismiss that, we also have this other notification up in the notification panel telling us that it is an invalid SIM card and that we have a network locked SIM card inserted. So pretty much all mobile devices these days that are sold directly by a wireless carrier are going to come SIM locked to that carrier, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different wireless carrier or network. So over the years, we've been contacted by tons of customers asking us for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model. Now, AT&T, like pretty much all other wireless carriers, will do the SIM unlock for you if you meet all of their requirements, and therein lies the big catch. So pretty much all wireless carriers have their own big list of requirements that have to be met in order for them to be able to do the SIM unlock for you. So they generally require that you be the original owner of the device as the person making the unlock request. You have to have used it with them for a certain number of days, weeks, months, whatever the case may be. The device needs to be fully paid off and out of contract, and you can't be behind on any of your bills, blah, 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 blah. So the list goes on and on and on. So people who have contacted us to have it done usually either want to be able to change carriers away from AT&T before satisfying all of AT&T's requirements for them to do the SIM unlock for them, or also, unfortunately, it's very common for someone to purchase a used device from a dishonest seller who doesn't tell them that the device is locked. So the seller will usually either claim that the device is already unlocked or that it's already eligible to be unlocked through the carrier, and the buyer just has to contact them, or whatever the case may be. And then the buyer discovers that's actually not true, that the device is actually locked and that it's not eligible to be unlocked, and the seller has usually long since disappeared in those cases, since it's a very common scam that happens all the time these days in the buying and selling of used mobile devices. But we're making this video here today to show any interested customers that we do offer a service to be able to get the device network unlocked without having to go directly through AT&T and satisfy all of their various requirements. The unlock procedure is something that we do directly to the device while it's plugged into a computer. And the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet to perform the exact same procedure that we did here with this one. So actually, before starting the work, or before starting the video, we had already done 99% of the work necessary to remove the lock from the phone. We just left it in place before the last step so that you guys could all see with visual proof that the device was indeed locked. The last step was basically just to restart the phone. So now that you can see that we've done that, we will be able to see that the device is indeed unlocked, because right away, before we even swipe away the notification panel, we can see here that it's showing T-Mobile up in the corner, and then we have our signal bars, which were just there, and it's refreshing the network signal there. If I swipe this away, we'll be able to see more. So when I swipe away the notification panel, you will notice that it's not asking for the unlock code anymore, and then also we no longer have that network locked message anywhere in the notifications. There's our signal bars and our 4G enabled up there. So as you can see, the device has been fully network unlocked, and it's now usable with any other compatible wireless carriers. So if you have one of these J7s from AT&T and need help getting it SIM unlocked, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of our details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have here on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for many different models of devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing here with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.